How to delete Ring app account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is first download the app and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've downloaded the app, you can simply open the app up, and after you do that, what you'll need to do is simply head over to the initial page of Ring. And after you're on the initial page of Ring, what you'll need to do is you will see this page right here. Let me go to the home page. Simply tap on the three lines that is on the top left corner, the hamburger icon, and head over to Control Center. After you're on Control Center, you'll need to scroll down till you find an option called Manage Your Data. Head over to Manage Your Data, and after you're on Manage Your Data, scroll down and you should see an option called Delete Your Personal Data including your Ring account. So all you need to do is tap on Delete Data, and after you tap on that, type in your password of your Ring account. So let me do that here, and after you do that, your account will just get deleted. And yeah, now you will need to type in a verification code that will be sent to your mail. Do that and tap on Verify Code. Confirm your deletion, and after you've done that, your account will get deleted really quickly. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. That is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.